Can drain line clogs be caused by construction debris or foreign objects during renovations or moves? Yes, construction debris and foreign objects commonly cause non-biological blockages in drain lines, and understanding how this happens helps prevent costly repairs. Small particles like grout, drywall, dust, paint chips, and plaster can accumulate and form dense cake layers that trap larger debris. Larger items such as screws, nails, pieces of tile, packing foam, and tape fragments can lodge at bends, fixtures, or transitions where pipe diameter changes and then catch other material. When cutting or coring near plumbing, always plug and cap open drains temporarily and run water flushes while work progresses to carry fines out to the main line. Use a wet vacuum to remove visible debris from sink basins and floor drains before removing protective plugs, and test flow with a garden hose for steady drain velocity. For subsurface work, inspect cleanouts after backfill and before final finish, so you can clear any introduced material with a snake or hydrojet if needed. If you suspect embedded sediment inside the line, schedule a camera inspection so you can see the location and composition of the clog before committing to an invasive repair. The three most common mistakes are assuming small amounts of dust will not matter, leaving open drains unprotected during construction, and not verifying line integrity after work is finished. Treat dust and fines as cumulative because they compact over time and reduce flow even when initial symptoms are mild, so flush and vacuum regularly to prevent buildup. Cover or cap all exposed drain openings and use removable strainers on fixtures to stop nails and tape from entering the system. Always open and run each cleanout and fixture after trades finish, so you can catch an obstruction early and remove it with a hand auger, wet vacuum, or a short hydroblast instead of excavating. We operate bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors for remodeling and clean up after construction-related plumbing issues. Our site also helps contractors find work and offers a discussion community where members share experiences, ask questions, and post practical tips about preventing and diagnosing drain line clogs.